All right, she's just playing an abbreviated version, so that's what she's prepared. Let's give her a nice round of applause. Her neighbors right there, they're like, I hear the twins in the background. All right, let's get the poll out. Let's do a quick turnaround here, guys. 3, 2, 1, here's the poll. Boom. I'm so shocked. Where'd the panda go? The panda was right there. I saw it. How did it disappear? Did the panda get up and leave? Where did the panda go? Mr. Matt Wong wants to talk. Here we go. You gonna talk?
Okay. The right hand was way too heavy and it was practically ear splitting. There was some hesitation. And there's not much body movement.
Yeah, let's take a look at the poll. I just opened it up here. So it seems similar to what he just said, Joanna. So looking at the poll there, needs work to, it was okay on dynamics. And regarding movement, which he brought up, it seems it's either 1, 2, or 3 on every single person's poll, on the anonymous poll. So there's some feedback. Allison?
Your left hand is way too loud and more dynamic because right now it's stable.
So hopefully you're getting that down, Joanna. You're writing that down, because if you hear everyone saying the same thing, that's probably the most valuable information. Vivian?
I think you did pretty good on the dynamics. Your articulation and your balance needs to improve. Your left hand and right hand, I think you can have like a bigger difference between those two, because like I couldn't really tell like both dynamically and articulation. Well, yeah, with articulation and the dynamics, it wasn't that good with the left hand, right hand. You need to move more, and I think you should put your camera a bit lower.
Thank you so much, Vivian. That was very thorough. I'm sure Joanna really appreciates that. Look, Joanna, I think you need to use your ghosting tool. I was waiting for somebody to say that. And the ghosting tool will help you to fix the dynamics between the hands, also known as balance. Julia Lee wants to talk and we'll close it out.
I was pretty much gonna say what most people said, so yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So today was sort of a good presentation for what not to bring to performance seminar. If I had to be very straightforward with everybody, you gotta really, really map out your roadmap. You know, okay, at 4 weeks I'm here, at 3 weeks I'm here, 2 weeks I'm here, and at 1 week I'm just tidying everything up. All right. So as you guys, whether you're playing in the next couple of weeks or not, keep this in mind. Today's performance seminar was a good masterclass in how to not prepare. So you guys really, really, all four of you need to work on preparation at a much higher level. All right. Have a good evening, and I will see you on Monday. Okay.